of trouble, but where it comes to speaking words of wisdom,
let it be.
In my arms of darkness, let it be.
Let it
Let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. And when the broken
King heart
people living in the world agree,
there will be an answer, let it be.
For though they may be parted, there is still a chance that they will see. There will be an answer, let it be.
Let it be.
Let it be. Let it be. Let it be. There will be an answer, let it be.
The letter B.
Who's the one to answer?
Answer pa lang kasi binulong mo. Pati wala dito. Nagpa-practice ng maglakad dito sa Pinok.
Mamaya matupilok niya.
Tagal niya, wa.
Papakita ko to kay Kat.
Kaya 100, dalawang peso. Ang nainip.
Letter
B.
Letter B. Letter B. Letter B.
Ang susunod na answer, letter B.
And when the night is cloudy, there is still a light that shines on me. Shine on tomorrow, let it be. I wake up to the sound of music, but it comes to me. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be.
Breathless. Run away.
Let it be, let it be, let it be.
Let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. Post na.